Add some audio to your page with the audio element, and that will draw the audio from SoundCloud, or you can bring in a custom file. Add elements, and we go to media, select, drag the audio file, and let's drop it where we want it to go onto the page. It is set by default to work with SoundCloud. To interact with it, click on it, and all the way to the left in the options toolbar, select the audio icon. We have here SoundCloud, and then you can choose custom, which will allow you to upload a file, change the icons out, and put it to loop. You also have a cover where you upload a thumbnail for your own custom audio, and under advanced, you can select things like time, duration, progress, and volume, which you want to display or not. For bigger files, go to audio and put it under SoundCloud and bring in the link that you need from here by sharing it on SoundCloud. You have two styles to choose from, the long bar or a more thumbnail view, and then you have an option for autoplay. Under advanced, you have a number of things that you can deselect if you do not want them to display on the SoundCloud option. From the settings, you can change the width, and that can be done on a percentage or pixel base. As with many of the other elements, you can also click directly on it and you will see the handlebars from which you can make these adjustments, and they will update. If you make it smaller, you have the alignment. Otherwise, you leave it on 100%. As usual, the usual suspects like styling for your padding margins, as well if you want to add a corner effect to it, and then you have your entrance and scroll animations.